good day to all. So in this session, we are going to see how to authenticate GCP from Terraform. Okay. So for that, I have a reference link from the registry.terraform.io sites. This link will be provided in the description. You can refer for your further reference. Okay. So we are going to authenticate GCP from Terraform using two methods. So first method using Google Auth application default login command. Okay, to use this you have to have the G-Cloud application. I mean G-Cloud SDK has to be installed on your laptop or even in your system. Okay, and secondly we are going to authenticate using the GCP service account. Okay, so first let's see how to do this through this G-Cloud command. Okay, so before that I will show you the code. So this is the simple code we have for the GCP. So I have the Terraform block which I mentioned the Google provider, and here I am having the provider block which is having my provider configuration. So my GCP provider configuration, what is the project and what is the region. Okay, and here I have a simple code to create the GCS bucket. Okay, fine. So already I have installed the gcloud command. So I'm directly going to execute this particular GCP gcloud auth application command. Let's execute. So directly it will prompt you to authenticate in the browser. Just choose your account and then authenticate this. Yeah, it got authenticated now. So yeah, okay. Now if now we will execute the Terraform init command. Yeah, we have the provider already. Now execute Terraform plan command. Yeah, it is getting authenticated now, right? If it is not authenticated, then we would have got the error. Okay, okay. Now let's see. Let us revoke this one and then we'll see. Okay, I'm revoking the this particular authentication. Okay, it is asking information. Okay, fine. Now I revoked it. Okay. Now again, if I execute the Terraform plan command, it will throw the error because we have not configured any credential. Okay, so for authentication we have to use this particular command. So this will take you through the browser to give your username and password, and then once authenticated, then your console will have that password in your local machine. Okay, okay, that is the first method. Second method, using the service account. Okay, uh, yeah, using service account. So what we are going to do is I'm into GCP console. Okay, here I'm into IAM service. So here go to service account. So I'm going to use this particular service account for authentication. So here you can create the key from JSON key from for this particular service account. Okay, create new key. It should be JSON, and it got downloaded into my machine now. Okay, so this is the file I got it. I'm just moving this into my particular location. So I'm moving into the key folder. Okay, now I have moved here. Okay, so we have to configure the environment variable. See here, we have to configure this particular environment variable, Google application environment variable, and we have to refer the path of the JSON file, path of the service account JSON file. Okay, so let's do that now. So where I have that file. Yeah, here I have that JSON file, right? So let's configure the this environment variable. Okay, so to do that, we have to use the export command. Okay, so the location is this is the one. Okay, so do export, and then this is the environment variable. And what is the value of this environment variable? We have to give the path of the JSON file, path of the service account JSON file. Okay, with the file name. Okay, so let me give. Okay, we have created the environment variable now. To check this out, let's do print nv. Yes, we have the environment variable now. So now let's execute the Terraform command to see whether it is able to authenticate or not. Sorry, I have to go to this particular path. So let me do it. Okay, I am into this particular location. So if I do Terraform plan command, yes, it is able to authenticate now, right? So let's remove that environment variable and see to get confirmation. Okay. Okay, we have removed it now. We don't have any environment variable. So if I execute the Terraform plan command again, it will throw the error, right? So for authentication, uh, there are two ways we can do. There are few more other ways, but in this session we have seen one is for Google Auth application default login. For this, you need to have the gcloud command utility, and second one is the through service account. For this, you need to create the service account and then create the JSON key and configure it in your environment variable. Then your, your Terraform will be able to authenticate the GCP provider, right? Yeah. Happy learning. Thank you so much.